What's up, Chemical Guys family? Welcome back to a brand new episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today, we're breaking down everything that you guys need to know about how to choose the perfect compound or polish for your ride. All right, guys, so the first product that I want to talk about is our VSS Scratch and Swell Remover. Now, VSS is a great one-step solution for most light to moderate imperfections on your vehicle. So these imperfections can range from anywhere like scratches, swirl marks, water spots, oxidation, and much more. And the beauty about this product is that you can either use it by hand, machine. Right here, you might see my little setup. I have a DA polisher, I have a rotary polisher. I also have our Hexlogic hand pads, and this product works great with all three. This product is great because you can use it as a one-step. So if time is of the essence and you're looking to achieve incredible results in the shortest amount of time possible, VSS is a great option to go with. So what this product does is it works as a compound, and then as you're working it on the surface, it breaks down to a finer polish. And you'll notice that when you start seeing the product become more clear and translucent. So once you see the product become clear, you'll know that it breaks down into a finer polish, and that's when it starts to refine the surface. So in one product, you can actually cut scratches, swirls, and all those imperfections, and also refine the surface, so that way you bring out that ultimate clarity and shine. All right, guys, so what happens when you're faced with deeper imperfections? Maybe you're working on a vehicle that's a little bit more neglected and you have to go a little bit more aggressive. Well, that's when you can go ahead and utilize a two-step correction system, such as our C4 Clear Cut Correction Compound, pairing it with our P4 Precision Paint Perfection Polish. It's a mouthful, yes, I know, but the products work incredible for achieving that perfect two-step correction. Now, why would you need a two-step correction as opposed to a one-step? Now, a one-step is great for most applications when time is of the essence and you're looking to achieve those incredible results in the fastest amount of time possible, but you are going to be faced sometimes with things that are a little bit more deeper imperfections like scratches, swirls, maybe heavier oxidation, etched in water spots, and that's when a two-step correction comes into place. Now, the reason why these are separate and they're two products as opposed to the one is because C4 is a straight compound. So it cuts as a compound and it cuts as a compound all throughout the cutting process. So this product cuts deep, it cuts fast, and that's why we created this product, because we want to create something that's fast, flexible, and efficient in terms of paint correction. So C4 is a great compound, and you can actually remove sandy marks from 1200 grit and finer just with this one product. C4 and VSS can both be utilized with a cutting pad. So in that case, I can either use it with a yellow pad or an orange pad down here. Now, the pad is going to reflect how aggressive it's going to be. Now, the product is what it is. However, the pad is going to help facilitate how much of a cut you're going to achieve. So if you want to go ahead and use C4 with a yellow heavy cutting pad, then that's entirely up to yourself. You can use that for getting a nice, deep, heavy cut. And then once you do a cut, usually it's kind of like sandpaper. So whenever you sand something, you usually start with a more aggressive, it's more gritty. And then as you refine the surface, you go with the finer and finer sandpaper, smoothing out the surface. So the finer the marks that you have on the paint, the easier it will be for you to refine it. So once you hit it with the C4 compound, then you can follow it up with our P4 polish. Now, P4 is a precision polish. So it's a perfection polish. It's really going to allow you to just achieve that jaw-dropping shine. So once you do a cut, you want to refine the surface, and P4 is going to work out perfect for that. So you can use P4 with a green heavy polishing pad or even a white Hexlogic polishing pad. And that works out great with P4 because that's going to allow you to refine the surface. So it's going to let you smoothen it out, bring out the shine, remove any kind of micro imperfections, and just truly achieve that ultimate finish. All right, guys, so what happens when you're faced with the worst of the worst? I'm talking about a car that's from the 80s, 90s, has never been polished, or maybe it just hasn't been touched in that long. It has heavy scratches, heavy swirls, heavy oxidation, maybe no shine at all for the matter. And you need something that's really gonna help you achieve that cut. And that's when our Chemicalguys V line comes into place. Now, as you guys can see, there's 4 products in this line. Now, the reason that there's 4 products in this line is because, plain and simple, all paint are different. Newer cars, older cars, you have different types of clear coat. Some may be harder, some may be softer. This line of products is going to help you achieve the perfect finish on any of those finishes. Now, the reason we have this line is because, like I mentioned, not all paints are the same. I might have a newer car, you might have an older car. My newer car may have heavier scratches. Your older car may not be as bad. So this V line offers the flexibility of having a super heavy extreme cutting compound like V32 to having a super fine ultra finishing polish like V38. Now we're going to go with V32 first and break that one down first. Now V32 is an extreme grade cutting compound. Now this product is great for when you're faced with the worst of the worst. I'm talking about like the paint has never been polished, it has a ton of scratches, a ton of swirls, heavy oxidation, heavy water spots, you name it. V32 is an extremely gritty, aggressive product. So with this product, it's going to allow you to achieve a super heavy cut. Now, you can use this product on a newer vehicle. However, I wouldn't entirely recommend this simply because it's a more aggressive product. So the less that you can cut, the easier your life is going to be. So that's why we always recommend starting off with a more finer product. Now, in this case, I'm going to skip V34 and just come back to it really quick. And here at the Detail Garage, we love V36 because it's a light cutting polish. And the reason that we love going with it first is because it's always great to gauge how bad the imperfections on the vehicle are. So the last thing that you want to do is look at your car and see a bunch of scratches and swirls and just think, hey, you know what? I'm just going to go with V32. No. So in this case, we love V36 because it's going to allow you to gauge how much more aggressive or maybe how finer you need to go. You know, odds are that you may not even have to go with V32. Maybe you might just have to go with V34, or maybe V36 will allow you to achieve the results you're looking for. Now, V36 is a light cutting polish, so you can use it with a polishing pad or even a cutting pad. Now, the reason I like V36 is because you can pair it with an orange pad, you can do it by the Hexlogic hand pad, or even with a polishing pad with either the DA or the rotary, and that's going to allow you to really gauge how much more aggressive you need to go. So V36 is a great starting point to go ahead and start off with. And then after you wipe it off, then that's when you can inspect the paint with your chemicalguys LED inspection light, check out the paint, see where it's at, see what it needs, and then you can go from there. So V32, extreme grade cutting compound, and then we're gonna go back over here with V34. Now V34 is a hybrid grade compound. So this works out great for, you know, heavier imperfections, but it's more so in preparation for getting into that polishing phase. So if you go with V32, it's not to say that you have to go with V34 and then 36 and then 38. You can actually skip around if you like. So if you wanted to do V32 and then you cut through most of the imperfections and you have a pretty great standing point of where your paint is at, and then you just want to refine it, go ahead and go from V32, hop your way up to V36 and then V38. Or you can even do V32 and then V38. So it depends on the paint. You know, you always want to make sure that you're inspecting the paint because you're always going to be faced with different situations. Moving on, we have our V36, which I've already talked about. It's a light cutting polish. It's great for one-step corrections as well. So you can use that with a polishing pad for a finer cut, or you can use it with the orange pad for a more aggressive cut. And then last but not least, we have our V38, which is a final grade polish. Now V38 is like that cherry on top. You know, it's gonna bring out the overall shine. It's gonna smoothen out the surface, bring out that metallic flake, and just really leave your paint with the ultimate clarity and shine possible. So this is what you would use at the final of your polishing stage. So after you finish cutting, your paint is in the condition that you want to, you know, keep it in, and you just really want to just refine it all that much more, just bring out that shine. V38, white pad, that's all you need. All right, guys, so that's going to wrap it up here for our compounds and polishes breakdown. I hope this guide really helps you guys a lot in terms of, you know, figuring out which one's going to be the best one for your vehicle. And then if you guys want to see us make a video on all the different kinds of pads that we offer and what they're for, make sure to leave a comment down below in the comment section. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. I'll see you guys next time.